today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, right now is the moment of truth for Bitcoin. I was here actually about to play soccer, the only occasion where I wear shoes. But I was looking into the charts. We are right now at a tipping point. We are right now at this point here where we will decide whether we are going to hold this very important bullishly biased pattern and eventually break towards the upside, or whether we are failing this retest and breaking towards the downside to a very specific price target I am going to mention here in this video. Make sure you are watching this video, this very, very important video. I'm basically just making here on the go until the very end. Smash up the like button if you appreciate these videos, no matter where I am, no matter when I am. And now let's get straight into it. Let's get straight into the chart analysis and talk about what are my price predictions for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. And what doesn't look so drastic here on the daily candles might evolve into something very, very big times drastic on the 4-hourly. Let me quickly go down here and show you what I'm talking about. What you can see after basically going sideways for 2 days, we are right now going down for another retest of the upward sloping support of this ascending triangle. What I do not want to see, and here it's important, I don't want to see any daily candle close. We are breaking the line right now. Who knows if we are closing below? But if we are breaking lower here, and this is important, guys, if we are actually closing a daily candle below this upward sloping support, it could get ugly for Bitcoin. Of course, I am still waiting for the breakout towards the upside, as this is a bullishly biased pattern. The moment we are closing this daily candle in 11.5 hours below this support, $30,000 is the price target. And something I wanted to show you actually yesterday, I decided to cure a little bit. I had a small cold, of course, was this year. The weekly ribbon is about to flip. And this is the only indication I can find on the weekly where I'm saying, hey guys, this might get very bloody for Bitcoin, because the moment the weekly ribbon is flipping, let me show you a few years back in time. Let's put on the time travel machine and see what happened the last time. Well, in 2019, we had a flip after the breakout of the bear market, and we had one last breakout towards the downside. Same thing a few years earlier. Let me go back into the year 2014, once again 3 years earlier. The moment we flipped on the EMA ribbon, we got one last shakeout towards the downside. Now, of course, a few people are saying we are getting this flip again, and we are going to get the breakout towards the downside once again. Well, please guys, bear here with me and wait for the daily candle to close. The moment we are closing the daily candle, and only the moment we are closing the daily candle below the exact price level of approximately $38,200, this is the moment I am getting very vigilant, and this is the moment I am personally getting cautious for Bitcoin. And if I would be a two-dimensional trader, I would be even opening a short position, but I am not doing that, as I am just waiting for good long positions. So this is a waiting period for me. We have some good news breaking as well, of course, besides all of these bad news which are coming from Russia, from Ukraine, from Palestine, Syria, and all of this. It's really terrible to see what is happening in the world, but we have some positive news here around the corner. And what you can see here, that El Salvador is preparing to launch a Bitcoin bond. It is, of course, beautiful. Yes, El Salvador is a very small country, but it is at least an official country finally adopting Bitcoin. And of course, from there, it can trickle up to bigger countries. I think it's just a very nice first movers thing, and it gives the right signal out into the market. Of course, there are more important things. And of course, this can't prevent the Bitcoin price simply here from breaking down. What we need is, of course, to hold this very, very important level, as I mentioned it already earlier, in order to hold the 30,000. But guys, please do remember one thing. I always told you 30,000 is my worst case scenario. So even if we would be breaking down, maybe wicking below this upward sloping support here, which you can see right there, closing above the 33, this would still be in alignment with my perfect worst case scenario of $29,000-$30,000. I do not see the Bitcoin price breaking below that. Let me know what you think about that. I'm gonna do some sports right now, as my belly really needs that. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. And if you wanna take even one more step forward, go down below. Share this video with your friends. I would truly appreciate that, and leave your favorite altcoins down below, as now that the Bitcoin price is tumbling around, we might get some good deals on the market. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.